Hey! So, this is just a little rant. I want to talk about how we as a civilization, I'm talking about every civilization in the entire world, from Thailand to Europe, back to Antarctica and so forth, we are all a civilization or a tribal group that has existed before. We are bound by the same rules because we live in the same universe. And because we are bound by the same rules and live in the same universe as we have lived thousands of years before, I mean our ancestors and so forth, we must be very cautious as to what happens to our civilization. Now, on this channel I talk a lot about the individual basis for success and good social standing and so forth, economic success, etc. But there is also a societal or civilizational level on this as well, and you have to watch out. Many great empires and many great civilizations has fallen as a result of decadence, bad administrative duty, military conquest and so forth, and we must be attentive to what that might entail for us as well, and not fall into the trap to think that we are somehow special, because we are not. We are bound by the same rules, we live in the same universe, and I look at a society like the United States, and I see a lot of signs of decadence, feeble-mindedness, military depravity, if I may say so. And I don't mean depravity in the moral sense, but rather in the effectiveness way. And so we have problems, and unless we solve them, our civilization may also fall. And it's not weird to say this, and I don't mean to be political in any way when I say it. I'm just saying you should watch out and take with you that we are not special in any way.